Yeah.
Sir, do you see the notes?
Yeah. So can you please you started the recording, right?
Yes, I started the
So,
recording.
Hello, sir.
so look at the heading we have here. What is called force, right?
Yes.
Yes.
As we are going to discuss the topic which was dealing forces, that's why we have to know what is force. So can you please write what is called force?
Sir, push or pull?
Yes.
Yeah, the definition I gave here, you only push and pull is not enough. You write
Sir,
the
it
definition I
is.
gave here. Yeah, you write the
Apply to
definition I
the
gave
object.
here. Look, the definition I gave you, write exactly the same definition on your paper quickly.
Yes.
And then write the SI unit of force is Newton and it is a vector quantity. That's it. Okay?
Sir, this is the definition, right?
Write the notes quick. What is force and SI unit of force? It is a vector quantity.
What is force?
So you finished writing?
Yes.
Anmol, you finished writing?
Sir, what we have to write?
What is force as a unit of force?
Definition of force.
Sir, can I
Oh,
can the definition of the force be like this? Wait, I will write in the chat.
Have you written? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anmol, have you written?
Yes. Sir, can you check your inbox? The chat, Zoom inbox.
No, not energy. Not energy.
I actually
It's
found
push
it
or
somewhere.
okay,
That's why I
not
was
energy.
asking.
Energy is yeah, energy is different quantity.
Yes, that's what I thought. That I found it in the net, so I was asking.
Yeah. Okay, the
Sir, I'm
definition I
writing
gave here, you write that one and yeah, you write the unit
Sir, can you
and
please
write
Sir,
start
this
Mushfiq
is
is
the
in the
vector
waiting
quantity.
room.
Is in the waiting room? Maru?
Sir,
Sir,
Mushfiq.
Okay.
sir,
Maru.
3 people.
Will we write the points SI unit of force? Sir?
Yeah, you write
Yes, you
the
have to
SI
write the
unit of
same unit.
force. Yeah, SI unit of force and you write it is a vector quantity.
No, I mean the points. We can add or subtract forces. These things. Will we write these things?
If you are done with the definition, then you write this heading, effect of forces. Have you written?
heading, sir, effect of forces.
Just give it in the
Yes.
chat.
Okay, sir.
In the chat box, I wrote the heading. You write that one, effect of forces.
have written.
Yeah, then after writing effect of forces, you write number 1. Force can accelerate
A force can accelerate
Force
stationary
accelerate then
A force can accelerate.
check the
That
chat
is given
box.
in the chat.
A force can accelerate a stationary object. Then number 2, a force can
Number 2,
stop
force can stop
a moving object.
moving.
Check.
Very written.
Yeah, force can change the direction of object. So you got these 3 points, right?
yes.
Yes.
These 3 are related to change in motion.
Sir, what?
I think
Yeah,
sir is
check.
typing.
Yeah, he's typing.
Yeah, you check now. These 3 are related to change in motion.
Change in motion.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you are stopping one object, which one is moving, so you are changing the motion, right?
Yes.
You are changing the direction, that is also changing the motion. Then you are accelerating one object which is stationary, that is also change in motion,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So take the examples. Take the examples here. What can a force do? Yeah. Look here. The first one, lawnmower, right?
Yes.
A man uses a force to move a stationary lawnmower. So here we are applying force to change the object stationary position, right? It was in stationary position, now it's moving. So we are using the force to make the object to accelerate. Is it clear? So first effect you got, it is the example one, the first one I discussed right now. Then you see another example, you see a cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal his bicycle and increase its speed. So it was already in motion, already in speed. So the bicycle, by the cyclist, he is applying more force to make it more accelerated, right?
Yes.
We have more speed. Then we have here this boy who is a footballer, right? You are the boys, I saw that lots of boys, they are footballers, right? So one boy is giving pass to another boy, the ball, That time you are changing the direction, right? By applying force. Is it clear? So here we are having the change in direction. And we can also stop the object, like the football is coming to you, then you are applying force to stop the football. That is also one kind of force, isn't it? Like the
Yes.
goalkeeper. Is there anyone goalkeeper among you? That
Sir,
Sir,
Baksha.
Baksha Fahad.
yeah, the striker is shooting to the goalkeeper. He is applying force to stop it, right? So that is also one
It
effect
changes
of forces,
acceleration.
isn't
Oh,
it?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
these three,
Yes, sir.
look, can you go to the learning outcomes? Can you go to the learning outcomes, please? Up. Yeah, look, here we have C, learning out of C. Describe the ways in which a force may change the motion of a body. So the thing we just discussed right now, this is done, right? Learning outcomes C is done.
Yes.
Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then go next. Yeah, Mustafa, go fast. Go down. Yeah, this file is attached, everyone, in the Google Classroom. So you have to go through this file, and you will get all these resources over there. And our discussion is also there. Our recording is there. I will upload as soon as possible. Then you'll get everything. Don't worry. Yeah? Then go down, more
Okay,
down.
sir.
Bacha, go down, please. You write different types of forces. Write the heading different types of forces. Yeah. So we are actually this one we don't need for more explanation different types of forces. We only know the name. Huh? That's it. More details we'll get in different topics. Here only know the names. Though I gave little bit idea, you just have a look from the Google Classroom. For this topic, we do not need that much, details. Just know the names. Okay, so what is the example of first one? That is gravitational force or weight, right?
Yes.
You write the examples. Different types of forces, you write number one, gravitational force, number two, electromagnetic force, number three, nuclear force, then number four, weak force, number five, contact force. This way you go down, okay?
sir, we need to write the bullet points.
Only write the examples I told you, no bullet points, nothing else. Just the
Okay.
name. Only the name.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we do not need more details of them, okay? Just know the names. If you know anything more, I will tell you. Yeah, go down, please. Yeah, go down, more down. You just have a look on the bullet points at your home. Then you write another one. Frictional force, then viscous force or drag force, then you are writing tension force.
Sir, I have written all of this in the chat.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So in this topic, we will have more details of
Finished.
frictional force. Yeah, very good, very good. please have a look on this from the Google Classroom and try to understand and I give
Sir,
brief
what is
idea about them.
viscous force?
Sir will explain all.
Yeah, which one? Yeah, tell me please, Ramisa. Which one?
He's talking about viscous
I
force.
was telling what is viscous force.
Okay, very good. You are telling what is viscous
Right.
force? Yeah, viscous force is
The same question.
yeah. Thank you so much for your questioning. I'm explaining a little bit what is viscous force. Viscous force is a resistive force coming from the air resistance, okay, or the liquid resistance. Like if you are driving a car in the air from the air opposite side, you know the driving force is forward, isn't it? Driving force is forward,
Forward.
but
Yes.
the air resistance is coming from the opposite side, isn't it? So
Yes.
that air resistance is called
The viscous
viscous
force.
force or drag force. Is it clear to you?
Oh. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
So you can note down it. You can note down it beside your viscous force written there in your copy. You can write that air resistance or liquid resistance. Air resistance or liquid resistance produced when the object is in motion.
Can
When the
someone write?
object is in motion, like in the water, if a boat is a boat is going, that time the water is giving some resistance, that is also drag force. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Hello? When
Yes,
you
sir.
are swimming in the water, that time the resistance you are getting from the water, that is also drag force.
Sir, air resistance or
So
liquid
all of you are clear
resistance?
about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Air resistance, I'm writing, no problem. I'm writing in the chat. Just you take it from there. I'm writing. Air resistance or liquid resistance.
So should I write it in the chat or are you writing?
Yes, yes. Please write. Please, I'm writing. Air resistance or liquid resistance in opposite of motion working opposite motion of an object is called viscous or drag force. Yeah, thank you. I wrote, huh? So everyone, please, you, yeah, Anmol,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
hello, Anmol. Can you
Yes,
please
sir.
copy my writing? Can you copy my writing and send it to a group,
Okay, sir.
our group, class 8 group,
Okay.
please? Then who are absent, they can also see. Now we are having balanced force. Can you go down, please? balanced force. Yeah, show the diagram. Yeah, thank you. So look here, we are having two forces from opposite side, and because of these two forces equal, as these two
The
forces
object
are
is not
equal, you
moving.
see the size of the arrow, you see they are equal. That means the forces are equal. So if the forces are equal on opposite side, then the resultant force is zero, or sum of the forces is zero. And
Zero.
if it is happening, then there is no resultant force. Okay, and there is no acceleration. So I'm writing in the chat box. Please have a look. What is called? You write the heading balance force. Huh? Balance
You
force.
tell us and then I will type it for everyone.
Yeah. Balanced forces. You write the heading, everyone. If two or more forces working together
If two or more forces working together,
and their sum is zero,
that this is it.
so are you seeing what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
If two or more forces
Yes,
working together and their sum is zero, then it is called balance force, right? For balanced forces, I'm writing again, for balanced forces,
Yes, sir.
resultant acceleration is zero. Yeah, please check. Huh? For balanced forces, acceleration is zero. If acceleration is zero, then we can have a constant speed, or we can have the object is stationary. If
Sir, can you write it?
acceleration, yeah, I'm writing. If acceleration is zero, then the object can be in rest or at steady speed.
Sir,
Can you see what I wrote?
yes, sir.
Yeah, if acceleration is zero, then the object can be in rest or at steady speed. Okay, we already have this idea that if acceleration is zero, then the object can be in constant speed, right? In our previous topic, we
Yes.
got this idea. Yeah, so
Dynamics.
Yes.
it can be possible, like you are sitting in a place, the forces working from your body downwards, that is weight, and the contact force coming from the chair or where you are sitting, that place is working upwards. So the resultant is zero, right? The
Yes.
resultant is
Yes.
zero,
Zero.
and you are in
Sir,
rest
like sir
and
in
you are not
pressure.
moving. Yeah, you are in rest, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
You are not moving. So that time there is no acceleration. You don't have any acceleration. Then another point is like a car is moving on the street or on the road. That time the car was in motion and the driving force coming from the car, it is forward force, and the air resistance and the frictional force coming from the ground together, that is working opposite side, right? So
Yes.
if the driving force and the opposite resistance force are equal, then there is no acceleration. The object will be moving with constant speed. Is it clear to you, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So there are two conditions for acceleration is zero. The object can be in rest or the object can be in constant speed.
Constant speed.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
am bringing both the examples here. You please write. For the first one, when acceleration is zero, but the object in rest. Uh, for example, I'm writing. For example, when we are
Could you please
sitting,
write in the chat?
yeah, I'm writing.
Yes, I'm
I'm
writing.
sitting.
Thank you, sir.
When we are sitting in a
Thank you,
place,
everybody.
when we are sitting in a place, uh, we are in rest position. Position. We have no acceleration.
So that's it.
No acceleration. Yeah. Yeah, we are in rest position. We have no acceleration. We have no acceleration. Yeah. So this one, when we are sitting in a place, we are in rest position. We have no acceleration. As the explanation you also write why it is as the downward force weight and the upward force that is contact force. Right, contact force. If you write the
Sir, can you
explanation
write
with
it in the
example,
chat?
that is more understandable, right?
Sir, can you
Isn't
write
it?
it in the? Are you writing
Yeah,
it
I'm
in the
writing.
chat?
I'm writing. Yeah, writing. I'm writing. Contact as the downward force weight and the upward force contact force are balanced. Yeah, I wrote. Check. As the downward force weight and the upward force, that is contact force, are balanced. Is it clear now? The
Yes, sir.
first example, we gave the explanation. All the things are
We are
clear
doing
here. And
contact force now.
Yeah, upward force, that means contact force. Like if you are giving weight to any object, that one is giving another one to upward, that is contact force, right? From the table or the place where you are sitting, you are getting one contact force upwards. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have another example. We said that if the object was in motion before, then it will be in steady speed if the resultant force is zero. So how it is working already I explained. Now another way, another way, while the object was in motion before, was in another way, while the object was in motion before, if the driving force, I am giving example and everything together here. If the driving force, that is forward force, that is forward force, yeah, forward force, and the resistive force, word, resistive force, resistance, and frictional force from the ground are equal, then
Can you
then
repeat again?
the object, you, I am writing, don't worry, I am writing, Azan is going on. The object will be in steady speed. Okay, look, I wrote everything together. Another way, while the object was in motion before, if the driving force and the backward force are equal, then the object will be in steady speed.
Sir, this is example number 2, right?
Yeah. And the first example is giving you
Hello.
the resultant force is 0 for stationary object, and the second example is giving you the
Hello.
resultant force is 0 for the object is at constant speed.
Hello.
Is it clear?
Hello.
Yeah, can you see what I wrote? The above two examples are giving us the basic of Newton's first law. Have you got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please write all this. Huh? Yeah, open the notes, please. Open the notes. Look, can you go down, Basha? So we have details idea about balance forces. Balance forces, you see, it's written here now. Newton's first law of motion. Everyone, please have a look on this. Newton's first law of motion. I think you all wrote about the chat box notes, everything. So there at last I wrote the above examples are basic of Newton's first law. Okay, so you write here Newton's first law of motion. It's written with inverted comma. Please write it.
Sir, can you also write it in chat?
No. Here you write it from here.
Oh, acha,
Write it
from the
from
screen.
here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
from the screen you write it. Newton's first law of motion you write from the screen. What is written here exactly, you write it. I think if you, while you are writing, you will understand it. Because already
Sir,
we had the discussion.
sir, we will
Yeah.
also write the bullet points or only the first paragraph.
No, only the inverted comma one, not the bullet points.
Okay, sir.
Only the definition. That's it. The statement. Newton's first law of motion is statement. That's it. If you are done, then let me know. Our class time is up. We will continue after this. In next class, we will continue after that. Today we had idea about effect of forces, then balance forces, what is force, then Newton's first law of motion. All this idea we had today. Next class we will discuss Newton's third law. Then we will discuss balance force. Balance force is for Newton's second law. Okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
So are you
sir.
done with the statement, Newton's first law?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Anmol, you send today's notes,
Yes,
in
sir.
our
Yes, sir.
class group.
Sir, it
Okay.
will take me
Allah
1
Hafiz.
minute.
Finished.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, everyone. Our time's up. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz, everyone. Badsha, send me the recording,